1948 Ford Super Deluxe two-door sedan at Unique, especially in classics. Error correct flathead power underneath the hood. Now it's paired up with a 3-speed manual transmission. Let's go ahead and take a look at this chrome and bright work up front. Chrome grille shows well, headlight surrounds. This vehicle will also come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan that may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. We can be reached at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Where you can see all the still pictures, steel wheels, beauty rings, wheel covers, good looking combination with the red and black, and that also highlights kind of a wine color interior. Consignor of this vehicle is chosen to sell it the way it is, reflected in the price. That rear window does not quite close all the way. A couple things I want to mention about the paint too. As you can see, there's kind of some texture in it across the top and kind of on the rear. So it's one of those, drive it the way it is, or if you want to take it to the next level, give it a repaint. But yeah, it's mostly just up and over the top. The sides, didn't notice so much down. As you can see down the passenger side, looks good. We'll get around to the driver's side, show you that in a second too. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run. But first, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. Take a look at the rear, chrome and bright work, dual exhaust. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the pictures online. Also, remember, we do have an open door policy. If you can't make it here yourself, you'd like to have somebody take a look at the vehicle for you, send an inspector in, not a problem. And as you can see, up and down the driver's side's good. And the hood also, it's just, like I said, it's that roof line. So note that, check it out in the still pictures. Drive it the way it is, or if you want to take it to the next level. As far as interior, that is all done for you. Beautiful vinyl cloth blend. Carpeting, floor mats, seating area, all in good shape. So nothing needed to be done on the interior at all. Headliner looks good. You'll be able to see the rear seat in the still pictures. Has to be pretty fresh. It actually smells like new fabric, new interior. Dash looks good. Love this gauge cluster. 4 separate gauges on this side. Speedometer more located in the center. Radio install, I guess would be one thing if you wanted tunes in here at all. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. It does have electric wipers, and they do work. Fires right up. Oil pressure gauge coming up, fuel gauge coming up. Looks like those two work. Battery, and that was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect that temp gauge to be up at all. Door closes nicely. Good sounding flatty. Definitely have their own distinct sound. I'm going to slip up to the front, pause this just 1 second. I'm going to pop this hood. There is a hood release inside the seating area of the car, so hang on, let's get it open, check out that edge bay, and wrap this video up. Here we go. Oil filter setup, as you can see. There it is. And again, error correct. Flathead. These were from 46 to 48, particular one here. Does have a dual point distributor and a new coil. (1948) Ford Super Deluxe two-door sedan. Remember, it will come with that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan may be extendable out to 10. Consult with your sales associate. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1948 Ford Super Deluxe. Very good running car, smooth idle. This is a 3 on the tree manual transmission. We do have an aftermarket blinker on the column. Our gauges do appear to be functioning. The temperature has not come off of cold yet. Battery is charging above half, and oil is right about 30. Doesn't move much, but it moves a little bit. Fuel gauge is at 3/4. Very nice ride, this car. Comfortable original style seats. Very nice interior. Steering wheel is centered well, and if I let go of the wheel, it stays pretty straight. I'd say maybe a slight drift to the left, but there is a wind from that direction today. We're in between sun and rain today, back and forth. This car handles good. For a 1948 Ford, it handles as you'd expect. Speedometer is showing 30 miles an hour right now, which feels about right. Now we're up to 50. Our wipers are working good. Very nice running 1948 Ford Super Deluxe. Check out all the pictures and details at uniqueclassiccars.com.